Hello and welcome to how to replace those PBR user files on your router. First, you have to get the files from my GitHub repository and save them to your computer. Then you have to transfer them to your router. I'm using WinSCP to do that here. Now you have to go to the var directory and delete the TMP files. Now with PuTTY open a connection to your Open WRT router and run this command /etc/init.d/pbr reload. In the output of this command, you will see that user files have been updated. Now refresh your /var directory and the TMP files will be updated. That's all, folks. My GitHub link I will leave in the description of this video. Enjoy!